little friends. Today, we're going to learn colors with yummy fruits. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, red for apple. Look at this fruit. It's round, shiny, and red. Yes, it's an apple. Can you say red? Red, apple. R, E, D. Red, yes, red for apple, little friends. Number 2, yellow for banana. Here comes a long and curvy fruit. It's yellow. Bananas are sweet and yummy. Y, E, L, L, O, W. Yes, little friend, bananas are yellow. Number 3, orange for orange. This one is orange in color, and it's also called an orange. Can you say orange, orange, orange? O, R, A, N, G, E, E. Orange, the color of orange fruit, is also orange. Green for kiwi. Number 4, here's a fuzzy little fruit. Inside, it's green with tiny seeds. It's kiwi green. G, R, E, E, N. Green. Yup, little friend, kiwi fruit is green. Number 5, purple for grapes. Look, a bunch of tiny round fruits. They're purple. Purple grapes are so juicy. P, U, R, P, L, E. Purple. Grapes are purple, little friend. Number 6, pink for dragon fruit. Wow, this one has pink skin and white inside with black seeds. It's dragon fruit, pink dragon fruit. P, I, N, K. Pink. Yes, little friend, dragon fruit is also pink. Number 7, brown for dates. These are small, sweet, and brown. They are called dates, brown dates. B, R, O, W, N. Brown. Well, little friend, dates are brown. Number 8, golden for mango. Here's a sweet and juicy fruit, golden yellow in color. It's mango, golden mango. G, O, L, D, E, N. Golden. Yup, the color inside the mango fruit is golden. And for the last one, black for blackberry. These look like little bumpy berries. They're blackberries. Black for blackberry. B, L, A, C, K. Black. Yes, blackberries are also black, little friend. Great job, little friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.